How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. So if you want to get the backup code on your two-step verification on Roblox, then if you have the Roblox application, you can open it, or you can just go with your browser and log into your Roblox on your browser. Go with roblox.com and make sure to log in. Now go with the upper right, which has that profile option, or just tap on settings, which is on the upper right, tap on the gear shaped icon and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the security tab, and under security, you'll have the two-step verification option, right? And under two-step verification, you will have an option of security keys, which is right here, hardware security keys. And if you've turned that off, then you just need to simply go and turn it on. But if you've not enabled your two-step verification, then you just need to simply turn on your authenticator first. So tap on OK, and you need to set up your two-step verification. So enter the 6-digit code that Roblox has sent to your email. So just wait for a few seconds and you will receive the verification code on your email. Just copy the verification code and tap on verify. Now what you need to do is you just need to simply go and scan the QR code. But if you're not being able to scan the QR code, you need to simply go with can't scan QR code, click here for manual. So you just need to simply copy this setup. Once you've copied, you need to go with the Authenticator app. Under your Authenticator, tap on the plus, which is on the bottom right, and tap on enter a setup key and enter the code name, which is I'll be just entering Roblox, and enter your key and tap on add. Oh, it's added, right? You just need to simply copy the code that you have right here and paste it right here and go with verify. And here you will have your backup codes. So you just need to simply go and save your backup codes. So that's how you can get the backup codes for your two-step verification on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.